Hello guys, my name is Dinda Mutiara Ramadhani. In this video, I will review the novel with the title The Spanish Love Deception. To fulfill the myth-asm, I have one quote from this novel. Why? To those chasing dreams, never give up on them. We are not better, you hear me? I will explain the narrative element from this novel. Plot. The main character, Catalina Martin, is in desperate need of a wedding date for her sister's wedding in Spain. The book starts right with the main male character and college she disliked the most Aaron offering her to be her date to the wedding. Of course, she declines the offer at first, but just until there is no other option left. Right from the beginning, there was obvious chemistry between Catalina and Aaron that influenced throughout the story. And let me tell you, all these enemies to lovers them definitely didn't disappoint. Not only did I enjoy the slow burn, but I also enjoyed the character themselves. Catalina was funny, strong, and tired to protect her heart as best as possible, while Aaron was kind, very handsome, and also swan-worthy. Man, does he know how to build up some tension and show his love for Catalina? But Catalina and Aaron led very real to me, and I was able to feel with the character. Furthermore, the Spanish love deception include important topics like trust, family pressure, and semics in the workplace with met in not only a fun but also an important read. I thought it was very impressing how to setting the Spanish love deception are. First, Intake New York City. Intake is the New York City-based engineering consulting firm for which Aaron and Lina work. At the start of the novel, Rosie makes Lina's time at Intake bearable, while Aaron presents greatest on her nerves. There are a few sexist employees like Vera who make the work environment hostile. The second, Brooklyn, New York City. But Lina and Aaron live in Brooklyn. Lina lives in a small studio apartment in Bed-Stuy, and Aaron lives in a spacious luxury apartment in Dunbo, which he paid for this his inheritance. The third, Northern Spain. Lina's family is from northern Spain. Lina described her picture hometown, a small city where I had come from, stood on the most northern coast of the peninsula, wedged between the Afton Firth and Fiori Catangria Sea and a range of emerald mountains. The character from this book, Lina Martin, is the protagonist of the novel. She is a 28 years old engineering consultant from Spain living in New York City. She values her job at Intech as she values her best friend Rosie. Lina Harbour as great against Aaron because of a misunderstanding that occurs when they first meet. Lina resents anyone who thinks she is incompetent, as Aaron made her feel. She rebels all this attempt at kindness out of vengeance. Lina, traumatic, break up with Danilev, her distrustful of men. This explains her hostile attitude toward Aaron. She feels more comfortable pretending that Aaron is her friend instead of someone who is in love with her. To be with Aaron, Lina must let go of her past and face her feelings even though they tragedy her. Lina relives her trauma when she is harsh at work. for sleeping with her. Aaron Blackford is her main source of trouble. He is sick for an Aaron Blackford is her main source of trouble. She has blue eyes. He is Catalina's arch nemesis in the workplace. He ignored her attempt to best friend him when her first joined the firm. From there, they developed a seemingly hostile relationship. Aaron Blackford discovered that she is in desperate need of his help and offered to be her wedding date in exchange for her being his guest at an event. She refused until her desperate need overpowered her pride. Finally, she accepted his proposal and finds herself forced to pretend she is in love with someone she hates. Time these books are first romance. The essence of the narrative is romance despite the unconventional nature of the relationship between the two characters. Catalina and Aaron are office rivals who love each other even though they might be physically attracted to each other. Thought everything seemed to set the two up for workplace romance. They hate each other at first sight. Their antagonist relation, however, create an interesting dynamic as they work together to keep up their roots. As they learn about one another, their hate subside and romance began to blossom steadily. Family pressure. Catalina is the perfect example of an individual stressed by the family pressure to have certain accomplishment. In this case, however, it is not about the career choice, but rather about her social life. She has informed them that she will attend her sister's wedding in Spain with her American boyfriend. Katrina is aware that this information is such a big deal. It's the small town she grew up in that it was appeared in the local newspaper. She felt the pressure to have a romantic partner akin to her sister even though she has not found one. Therefore, she decided to have a fake relation with her choker to fit in and fulfill the expectation of her family. The point of view The point of view used in the novel Spanish Love Deception is the first person point of view of Catalina Martin. And that's all the explanation of the review of this book. You can read this book in your free time. Thanks for watching.
In this part, that